Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this natural afro hairstyle. Braid your hair straight back. You also want to make sure you create a fork or intersection for your part. I made mine in the middle because I wanted a middle part, but if you like a side part, you can braid yours at the side. Either way, it's fine. A quick tip is not to make your part too long because it'll look really weird. And also, try to braid your braids for your middle part as close together as possible so you don't have like a wide gap in your parts. You'll need a crochet needle and 1 pack of this hair. This was $7.99 at my local beauty supply store, and I'll leave all the information in the description box below. For me, I like to start with the portion of my hair that has the part. Take the needle, put it through the braid, then insert 1 strand of the marley hair into the needle. Make sure you close the needle first before pulling it out of the braid. After that, remove the needle from the marley hair and tie the hair. Repeat this process until you covered your hair. Another great tip is to spread the hair out when you're crocheting it into your braids. The hair is quite puffy, so it's going to cover up all of the braid. Last step is to cut and style the hair to your desire. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I know to make more of these videos. See you in my next one. Bye.